Hi there, Crisscross Cosplay of Skull Heart Studios. Are you as stupid as I am when it comes to LED lights and you just can't seem to figure out how to even go about putting them together? I'm here to help. Because of the fact that I am also stupid with LED lights, I figured out a way, the easiest way possible, to make your LED lights work with a battery source. Now, there's multiple different ways you can do this. You can do it with a power bank, you can do it with a 9-volt battery, you can do it with like an AC power supply that you plug into the wall. This will be for cosplay purposes, so I can't use it to be plugged into a wall. I need it to be mobile with me. So that's what we're going to get into today. Let's go ahead and show you what you'll need for this one. Okay, so for this tutorial you're going to need a set of LED lights, an LED control box, a battery clip for a 9-volt, an LED remote, and a 9-volt battery. Okay, so the first thing that you're going to want to do is you want to grab your LED, which will come just like this. Make sure it has a connector like this with it, because if you don't, it's going to be very, very hard to work with. So what we're going to do is we're going to get our LED lights, and we're going to take our little bitty LED control box here, like so, and we're just going to connect these two together. Okay, so if you'll see, the LED light strip has this little bitty cable thing right here, the little 4 prongs. There's 4 prongs on this as well. All you're going to do is you're going to grab them, push them together, just like so. See how the control box is now connected to the LED lights. So now that we have our LEDs connected to our control box, this is the end of the control box. So now what we're going to do is we're going to grab our little battery clip right here, plug that into that like so, okay? Just like that. The next step we're going to take is we're going to take our little battery clip. I think you can see where this is going. We're going to plug that onto our battery, like so. Okay, so we have our battery connected to our control box, and then the control box is connected to the LEDs. The LEDs are all right here. So what we're going to do is we're going to take our trusty little remote here and give it some power. Bam! You now have a set of working LED lights controlled by a 9-volt battery. Now, like I said, you can connect this to a battery charger, like a portable battery charger. What you would need to do is you'll need to cut these. If you wanted to cut this right here to make it work with a portable battery charger, you'll have to cut these, strip the LEDs, and then solder it to a USB cable. I'll get into that at some point. I don't know if we're going to use that method or not. We may stick with the 12-volt just because it's the easiest thing and it's the quickest thing to have to fix if your batteries, not your batteries, but your lights go out. You can just unplug the battery, plug the battery back in, and you're done. So, thank you everybody for watching this video. This has been Crisscross Cosplay of Skull Heart Studios, showing you LEDs for Dummies, Part 1. And I'll see you guys in Part 2. Thank you everyone for watching this video. If you like this video and it's helpful to you, please press the subscribe button. All of the things that we use today are going to be listed in the description box below. And also, please click the bell and get a notification whenever we post a video, because that helps us out, that helps you out, and you get to learn something really cool. So thank you so much, and we'll see you guys later on.